I'm Christy with WTI, and I have a little boy that loves collecting plushes. This one right here is one of his most recent. This is the Wither plush. He actually picked this plush out all on his own on Amazon. He likes it because it resembles one of his favorite characters in a video game that he plays. But check this out. His head's come off. I just love that. It's fun, right? He loves this little thing. He also thinks it's hilarious that the heads come off. This is a tiny plush, just so you know. It's about 9 inches. So when it comes, it's like vacuum sealed. And I was shocked. I was like, what is this package? But it's vacuum sealed, so it comes in a really tiny package, but he's soft, he's cute, and my youngest is having a blast snuggling with him and playing with him. And that's our point of view.